Welcome back to another episode of Our Brewery Farm Life. Things are looking good. So things are coming back to normal slightly. We still have a few things that need to get opened up, but mostly things are open. And as of this coming Friday, we're allowed to have people inside again. Our capacities outside have increased. Gyms can reopen. There's a whole bunch of things that are happening, which is fantastic because the economy desperately needs that to happen. But as far as the brewery is concerned, so much is happening. Did you find your hammock? No, I don't want to get on the brewer's deck. The days are tough. As I sit out here in the cool breeze while David sits in the hot brewery. Brews here. But look, I have company. They're all... So after the brewing process, the grain is pumped out of the mash and put into an auger, which sends it to a trailer, which then gets taken to the cows. That's what this looks like. Or this is what that looks like. It's like hot breakfast. Yum. Our booth is now open at the Western Fair Farmers Market, which is amazing. So we're actually at our second, or soon to be second retail spot. It's pretty cool. Not gonna lie. We're gonna go check it out right now.
Taco to Ukrainian cupcakes, all that stuff, right? It's so we have, as of right now, the upstairs and downstairs, 87 vendors, and depending on the configuration of how it all breaks down, we can have up to 100 and more, because we're going to create some more space. Obviously, so this used to all be closed in, and it was the Make It Happen project gym for a couple of years. So we tore the walls down.
So there you have it. This will be our new space. Obviously we have a lot of work to do and we'll get it kind of looking the way that makes sense for River Road. But this is a new adventure, guys, and I think it's going to be a lot of fun. A lot of work, but a lot of fun. So getting ready for the market, just getting the booth ready, and we arrived here this afternoon and already it's taking shape. It's pretty crazy how fast things come together when we have a plan, kind of a plan. And we're done, just like that.
Look at that. Updated. We got Whiffy.
Isn't that the Whippy?
Look at you guys on your phones.
Don't put that in there. That's terrible.
So first day, and we sold out of beer. Oops. So my morning routine has, on Saturdays, have become getting up and flying to the London Farmers Market at the Western Fairgrounds just to get our beer restocked and in the fridge. The bonus to this is, well, I'm done now. I just finished loading up the fridge for one of our staff, and now I'm heading back to Bayfield because it's going to be a busy day at the brewery. The bonus for me is I get to stop in at all the vendors and get all my treats. So I get to get my latte at the awesome coffee place here. I just grabbed an apple fritter from the fritter place, and then good friends of ours owned Red Moose, and they do dill pickles, so deep fried dill pickles, and they do these amazing pita chips that are seasoned with dill pickle seasoning and then dill pickle dip, and oh my gosh, they are to die for. And so they've become a slight addiction at the brewery. So every time I come here I have to grab some. So I'm on my way back with our pita chips, and hopefully it's going to be another busy day at the brewery. Pizza's there today, so which means it's definitely going to be a busy day. Who am I kidding? Anyway, I just thought I'd let you guys know. I do have to say though, the Western Fair Farmers Market is incredible. There are so many cool vendors here. I have kind of become a little addicted to shopping around while I'm here, and it's very short because I do have to get back to the brewery, but it's really cool to see how many different artisans there are. Really cool, really cool. You guys have to check it out. If you've never been, make sure to go to the Western Fair Farmers Market. I sometimes question the intelligence of farm animals, goats specifically. Seriously, Barbara. Story of my life. Barbara, what have you done? What's going on? Do you even know what just happened? Just kind of don't even acknowledge that I just saved your life, friend. Just saved your life. Hi. Oh. And as usual, things are happening on the farm with the animals. Lots going on. Unfortunately, my horse had a little incident. We introduced a new horse and he didn't like that so much. And unfortunately, I think he's had an ongoing abscess for a while in his hoof. He was lame for a while. We got his one shoe off. He's still lame. It is definitely abscess under his foot, and it's causing him some major grief. So he's being well taken care of, bandaged, and has on antibiotics and anti-inflammatories for the next very long time. And this is what happens when I'm trying to do barn chores. What are you doing?
She makes a good stool. That way I don't have to do barn chores.
Yeah, exactly. Wrong side of the fence. But you're teaching the babies. It's weaning day. So we are moving the mama sheep to the hop yard, and the baby sheep are going to stay in the pen for now until weaning's done, and then they'll go back in with their mums, but the mums will be dried up, so there won't be any worry about anything there. But yeah, it's gonna be a fun day. Weaning is complete. Well, the movement, the moving. Hi guys, how's it going? What is that? So far, so good, but give it a day. The poor guys. This is traumatic. This is so traumatic. Mister. Hi, Roo. Rusty's traits are strong in these ones.
Think you're outside?
Apparently.
Polly, get your head back in the fence. Your sheep, they're like, this place is heaven. Who needs kids? You did a fantastic job of fencing it.
Good job, yeah. It's our anniversary.
It is 7 years together.
7 times 2.
What?
7 times 2. 14 years!
My, how time flies.
My, how time flies. It's been lovely.
Fantastic. It's been a trip.
Okay. That's better. Happy anniversary! He loves me. Well, it's too late, I am.
Me? Cheers.
Cheers.
To another 7 years.
7?
No way. 21?
Yeah. Or till we die.
Hey, till we die.
There.
That could happen sooner than that. I know.
Why are you taking a video?
Well, we tried getting the 15-year-old photo, but apparently our marriage lasted longer than the stairs did.
Happy anniversary!
What? Happy anniversary, babe.
He says his life ended over here, but I figured you guys might want to see. So, 14 years ago today, we were married here. This is where it all happened. This is where the magic happened, guys. Lake Huron. I thank my lucky stars every day that I get to look at this. Pretty amazing. Thanks again for joining. It's been amazing, and we really appreciate your support. I hope you guys are having a chance to check out my podcasts. They have been so much fun, and I'm really enjoying doing it. If you haven't done it yet, the podcast is called Downriver Road. It is on my YouTube channel. It's on this channel as well, but you can just listen to it if you want on pretty much any podcast channel. So Spotify, iTunes, all sorts of different places. Really, really interesting people, and I hope you guys get a chance to just to watch and see and hear and listen to all the different perspectives from different people. Really, really neat people. So stay tuned again, guys. I'm starting to get back into the game. I know I've been absent, but I'm promise things are starting to get back to normal.
I forget. Oh, why are chickens so awesome?
Why are chickens so awesome?
Because!